The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus is a semi-autonomous city bus designed to revolutionize public transportation. Equipped with the City Pilot system, it can drive autonomously on prepped roads, stop at stations, and navigate through traffic safely. Powered by a diesel-electric hybrid engine, it ensures lower emissions and fuel consumption. With a passenger capacity of up to 93, the Future Bus offers a modern, open design, featuring comfortable seating, Wi-Fi, and charging ports for convenience. Its sleek exterior enhances aerodynamics, while smart cameras and radar systems provide safe operation. Expected to cost around $500,000, the Future Bus embodies Mercedes-Benz's vision for sustainable and intelligent urban mobility, combining innovation and practicality for eco-friendly public transport. The Hyundai HDC6 NEPTUNE is a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered truck concept from Hyundai, showcasing the future of eco-friendly heavy-duty transportation. Inspired by Art Deco design, its sleek aerodynamic exterior enhances efficiency while making a bold statement on the road. Powered by hydrogen fuel cell technology, the NEPTUNE produces zero emissions and offers a range of up to 500 km per tank. Designed for long-haul logistics, it boasts a payload capacity comparable to conventional diesel trucks. Inside, the cab features a driver-centric design with advanced technology, including connectivity, autonomous driving capabilities, and a spacious, comfortable interior for long journeys. The hydrogen fuel system allows fast refueling, making it practical for commercial use. Though still in the concept phase, the estimated price is between $250,000 and $300,000. The HDC6 NEPTUNE offers a glimpse into the future of sustainable, high-performance transportation.
FUTURIA. The FUTURIA motorhome is a luxurious and innovative vehicle crafted by Most Mobile Specials in Germany for those seeking the ultimate travel experience. It boasts a spacious interior with modern amenities, including a fully equipped kitchen, cozy living areas, and 2 bedrooms. A standout feature is its rooftop terrace, complete with a whirlpool hot tub, making it perfect for relaxation and entertainment. With a sleek design, a powerful engine, and custom-built options, the FUTURIA motorhome delivers a one-of-a-kind adventure on wheels.
The Scania NXT is a revolutionary concept vehicle that aims to redefine urban mobility with versatility and sustainability. Developed by Scania, this fully electric modular transport solution can seamlessly switch between passenger transport, goods delivery, and waste collection by swapping out functional units. Its sleek, futuristic design is complemented by advanced autonomous driving technology, enabling driverless operation in city environments. The Scania NXT offers an impressive 245-kilometer range on a single charge, making it perfect for daily urban tasks. In its bus configuration, it can carry up to 20 passengers, ensuring a comfortable, eco-friendly commuting experience. While still a concept, the Scania NXT embodies Scania's vision for a fossil-free transport system, showcasing innovation and promising a smarter, greener future for cities around the world.
Hyundai Trailer Drone. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a revolutionary concept in autonomous, hydrogen-powered transportation. Using e-bogie subframes similar to train wheels, it offers a fully autonomous, zero-emission system for container transport. This innovative vehicle delivers precision maneuverability, including diagonal crab walking and turning in place. With a range of over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge, the trailer drone is designed for versatile applications in logistics and shipping, providing a sustainable and efficient solution for the future of trucking.
Expandable trailer. The expandable trailer offers a perfect blend of space and comfort for travelers. With extendable sections activated at the push of a button, it transforms from a compact unit into a spacious living area. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, cozy sleeping quarters and a modern bathroom, providing all the amenities of home while on the road. Ideal for camping, road trips, or long-term stays, the expandable trailer combines convenience and luxury, ensuring you enjoy every moment of your adventure. Pricing varies by brand, features, and size, typically ranging from $10,000 to $30,000 for a new model.
Kenworth SuperTruck 2. The Kenworth SuperTruck 2 is a groundbreaking innovation in freight efficiency and aerodynamics, developed under the Department of Energy's SuperTruck program. This ultra-fuel-efficient tractor-trailer achieves a 136% improvement in freight efficiency. Powered by a Packer MX-11 engine paired with a TX-12 transmission, it features a 48-volt mild hybrid system and advanced aerodynamic enhancements, delivering an impressive 12 miles per gallon average. With a 7,100 pounds weight reduction, the SuperTruck 2 sets a new standard for sustainable and efficient long-haul transportation. Pininfarina Electric Transformer House. The Pininfarina Electric Transformer House revolutionizes mobile living with its innovative design and eco-friendly features. Developed in collaboration with AC Future, this expandable electric RV transforms into a spacious 400 square feet off-grid mini home, offering luxury and sustainability in one package. It is equipped with solar panels that generate 25 kilowatt-hours of energy and an atmospheric water generator capable of producing up to 50 liters of clean water daily. These features, combined with its sleek design, modern amenities, and smart technology, ensure a comfortable and sustainable living experience. Perfect for those seeking adventure without compromising on comfort, the Electric Transformer House sets a new standard for eco-friendly mobile lifestyles. Vision TX. The Vision TX cab over truck is a futuristic concept focused on enhancing aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Its sleek, streamlined design reduces drag and improves mileage, making it perfect for the transition to electric vehicles. The interior prioritizes driver comfort and innovation, featuring a central driver's seat and advanced technology like mirror cams. The Vision TX combines style, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, setting a new standard for the future of trucking.